It is June 20th, 2026. We're about half an hour south of Thessaloniki. We planted here also acorns. This is the fourth or fifth year I've been coming to this location, and we have gone from the whole gamut from planting acorns, maybe 100 of them, and not a single one of them or very few coming up and then dying. And then another year, they all sprouted and then they all died. So 3 or 4 years, for whatever reasons, we failed to produce oak trees. And this year we came in, we put evergreen oak tree acorns, and they're doing okay. They're doing well. I'm just going to take you on a brief tour on what we have here. Some of them have sprouted, others have not, and we'll go on. These are the oak shrubs with the thorns, and so we need to, and we see one here growing. That's a shrub, it's not ours. And so we need to be careful that we are planting and we're keeping an eye on oak trees, not shrubs. Here, there's nothing growing in this location. And we have the markers. And here we see the oak shrubs, and this is our tree. We see the small seeds, not many of them, growing, but this is one of ours. And there's another location where we planted something. We planted acorns, and we see this wonderful oak tree growing. This is a test to see what we can do. This is a large area, maybe 30, 40,000 square meters of pine trees. And here we don't see anything growing. We see the alfalfa, I think that's it. It's growing there. Maybe alfalfa. And here again, the small seeds, but no acorns, no oak trees. Here's two of them. They're nice to see. And so this goes on. This may be from a plum tree. I'm not sure. So here's another one. And I don't see anything here. We see oak shrubs everywhere. If we do nothing, there's another oak tree. And this is rock rose, which is growing among the pine trees. It makes for great tea. And there are two more oak trees, evergreen oak trees. And this is in the same area. This is the common oak tree growing. This may be 2 or 3 years old, one of the few growing, and it's nice to see. In the same area, this is one of the first oak trees that's still surviving from about 5 years ago. It's nice to see it, 4 or 5 years old, and we'll see how they do in the future. We'll see where we are 5 or 10 years from now.